All right, who are you?
Ivan.
Ivan, what are we doing today?
Skydiving.
Jumping out of your airplanes with friends?
Yeah.
Whose idea was this?
My brother.
It's his fault if this goes wrong then? If we don't make it to your next birthday, any last words, final comments, or confessions?
No.
Nothing? For me, it's always the same. Take the computer, the tablet, the phone, burn all of it, bury it in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. High five, let's go have some fun, guys, all the way around. Oh, yeah. Here we go, boys. You ready to get in? Get up, get out of this thing, go have some fun. Go rock the Skydive. High five. High five. Here we go, dudes. Holy cow. Alright, what do you think?
I like it, bro.
You have fun?
It was nice.
High five, dude.
Thank you.
Come back out, see us again.
Yeah.